Beneath the emerald canopy, an unseen war rages. Only the strongest survive, and some rule with absolute power. Welcome to the beating heart of our planet, a place so vast and alive it defies imagination, the Amazon rainforest. This colossal wilderness, home to millions of species, harbors secrets as ancient as time itself. But within this thriving tapestry of life, there exist ultimate hunters, beings whose very presence shapes the destiny of all others. Today, we peel back the layers of myth and wonder to reveal the true titans of this untamed world, exploring the mysteries of the Amazon's supreme predators and the incredible power they wield. The Amazon, covering an area larger than Western Europe, is not just a forest, it is a living, breathing entity. Its intricate web of life is fueled by the immense energy of the sun and the lifeblood of the Amazon River, a watery highway stretching thousands of miles. This abundance supports an unparalleled diversity, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. Yet, within this natural paradise, the rules of survival are brutally simple: eat or be eaten. At the very top of this food chain are the supreme predators, creatures perfectly evolved to dominate their domain. They are not merely hunters, they are the architects of balance, ensuring the health and vitality of the entire ecosystem. The undisputed monarch of the Amazonian jungle is the jaguar. Weighing up to 250 pounds, with a bite force twice as strong as a lion's, this magnificent feline is a master of stealth and power. Its rosette coat provides perfect camouflage amidst the dappled light of the forest floor, allowing it to disappear into the shadows. Jaguars are solitary hunters, patrolling vast territories, their senses finely tuned to every rustle and scent. They are opportunistic, preying on everything from deer and tapirs to capybaras and even caimans. Unlike most big cats, jaguars love water, often ambushing prey near riverbanks, pulling them into the depths with surprising strength. Their unique hunting technique, a powerful bite to the skull, ensures a swift and decisive kill, a testament to their supreme efficiency. But the jungle floor is not the only stage for dominance. The waterways of the Amazon are ruled by an ancient reptilian giant, the black caiman. Growing up to 20 feet long, these powerful crocodilians are the largest predators in the Amazonian rivers. With their dark, armor-plated bodies and formidable jaws lined with razor-sharp teeth, they are living relics from a prehistoric era. Black caimans are ambush predators, patiently waiting submerged, with only their eyes and nostrils visible above the water, until an unsuspecting animal comes to drink. Then, with an explosive burst of power, they strike, dragging their victims into the depths to be drowned and devoured. Their diet is diverse, including fish, capybaras, and even other caimans, solidifying their position as the river's apex predator. High above, soaring through the canopy, another formidable hunter claims the skies, the harpy eagle. With a wingspan of over 7 feet and talons larger than a grizzly bear's claws, these majestic birds are aerial assassins. Their incredible eyesight allows them to spot prey from great heights, and with a breathtaking dive, they snatch monkeys and sloths from the treetops with terrifying precision. The harpy eagle's strength is legendary. They can carry prey weighing up to their own body weight, a feat that showcases their supreme adaptations for a life above the forest floor. These powerful predators, while formidable, face an ever-growing threat from a different kind of force: human encroachment. The Amazon is being deforested at an alarming rate, with millions of acres lost each year to agriculture, logging, and mining. This destruction directly impacts the habitats of jaguars, caimans, and eagles, pushing them closer to extinction. When these top predators vanish, the delicate balance of the ecosystem crumbles. Prey populations can explode, leading to overgrazing and further habitat degradation. Diseases can spread unchecked, and the entire biodiversity of the region suffers. The disappearance of these creatures signals a profound disruption, a warning that the very lifeblood of our planet is under threat. The survival of these magnificent beasts is inextricably linked to the survival of the Amazon itself. Protecting them means preserving their vast territories, combating illegal wildlife trade, and fostering a deeper understanding of their critical role. Conservation efforts, like establishing protected reserves and supporting local communities in sustainable practices, are vital. Scientific research helps us understand their behaviors, their needs, and how best to safeguard their future. Every effort, no matter how small, contributes to the grand mission of preserving this irreplaceable natural heritage. The raw power and untamed spirit of these supreme predators remind us of the wild heart of our planet, a heart we must strive to protect for generations to come. The Amazon's supreme predators embody the raw power and mystery of the natural world. Their stories are a testament to the intricate dance of life and death, and a critical reminder of our responsibility to protect this irreplaceable wilderness. Discover more breathtaking wildlife encounters by watching our next video.